So I came up with a little winter collection of 3 outfits, and this is how I made them. Let's start off with the first outfit, which is this very nice long maxi ruffle skirt that I made out of this very nice gingham fabric I still had at home. I decided to go with a half circle skirt, which gives you a lot of fullness, and this is what I'm cutting out here. And I also wanted it to be full length. For me that was about 95 centimeters length because I'm very tall. And you can use a circle skirt calculator, which is available online, to get your exact measurements. You also need lots of long rectangles for the ruffles. You will need around 3 times the circumference of your skirt bottom hem to get really nice and fluffy ruffles. Here you can see all the straps I cut out, and in total I think it was a length of around 14 meters. I used French seams to attach all the straps together, since it gives a really nice finish. Next thing you want to do is cut out a waistband. I ironed everything in place, and I also put in some extra support for the waistband. You want to hem and zigzag or serge all the edges of the long ruffle stripe before gathering everything. I'm using a gathering foot, but you can totally do it by hand. Pin the ruffle strap in place and sew it to the skirt. Lastly, just add a zipper and your waistband and you're good to go. And this is the finished skirt! I hope you like it as much as I do. It's really fun twirling around in it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.